Hello, and yeah, welcome back to Let's Code. Another small challenge, which is 2 to 1. Man, hard to spell, hard to pronounce. Take two strings, S1 and S2, including only letters from A to Z. Return a new sorted string, the longest possible, containing distinct letters, each taken only once, coming from S1 or S2. Okay. So let's see, how do the strings look like? A, unsorted, and yeah, having letters from A to Z, or at least Y, and B, yeah, goes for the same. Okay, should be pretty simple. Return C Now I have to think, there is a function which kind of should trim it. But yeah, I'm out of coffee, so I'm pretty lame at the moment. You can do it with a string library, or you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z. A for A in if. Oh no, let's do C. For C in if C in A, or C in B. And yeah, we are just iterating through the alphabet. You can, if you want the code more efficient, I guess you have to, define a variable like this, alphabet. But in this case, because we are, like always, if it's simple challenges, we are doing one-liners, and in this case, return C, stands for character, for C in the alphabet, if C in A or C in B should. And yeah, let's join it. So yeah, because this returns a list, but we need to return a string. Let's test it. A1, he's doing it in A1 and A2. Yeah, this kind of works. Let's do a lambda. Lambda A1, A2, colon, longest equals lambda A1, A2. Yeah, that's it. See the solutions, and I will see that I'm pretty lame. Yeah, these are the other solutions. Yeah. Oh, okay, if you have a set, yeah, of course, a set only contains one letter. So yeah, of course, you should use a set. That's pretty obvious, but yeah, I'm too sleepy to realize that if you have a set as a data type which only contains one letter. I'm totally stupid, laugh at me, yeah. See you and bye bye.